All right, ladies, well, even though it's blistering hot outside, it's still time to think about your fall fashions. And here to help us get ready for that is Ellen. Ellen, how are you today?
Great, a little
Good.
toasty, but we can't think about that. We are into fall.
Into fall. So tell me, for somebody who enjoys wearing prints, I hear that those are in this fall, correct?
Very in.
Okay, tell me a little bit more about
that. The biggest print to make a comeback this year is leopard.
Ooh.
And Sally Castangaro is going to show us.
Come on through, Sally.
We've got it done in Ponte, which is very, very lightweight, no wool, all cotton stretch. So not only does the fabric hold you in and make you look amazing, but the print is done in an incredible fall way.
Yeah, because that's another thing I've noticed, especially lately, women's clothes and dresses are becoming more tailored, kind of in the waist, which is good because no one wants to look like...
Nobody wants to look like a sack.
Right. Like they're wearing a brown paper bag.
I mean, why go to the gym and, you know, and MUSC's greatest challenge if you're going to look like that?
Right. Well, we've got leopard, so thank you so much. Is Sally, correct?
Sally,
okay.
Sally Castangaro.
Well, so then, you know, we've always talked about how, you know, we go to work on Friday and then we're ready to go out Friday night. Tell me about a day to evening type thing.
This is when Katie Kern comes in with her great Halston tunic and the latest in jeanswear, jeggings. It's a cross between a legging and a jean. Very sexy, very comfortable, and it gives you a long, lean line. Again, the print, day into evening. Now, depending on how forward you are, you can go ahead and take the jegging off and do a great tight and a high heel. Depends on what kind of date you have.
Well, let me ask this though. The tunic that she's wearing, it looks like she could almost wear that to work as well if she had on, maybe not the jeggings, but something else going on with that.
She could absolutely wear it to work with a skinny skirt, a little pencil skirt that goes in.
Right.
Great for work.
Right. I love that. And I love the shoes as well. She looks great.
Doesn't she look fabulous?
I think she does.
Now, if you can get a little on the purse with the zipper detail, zippers are very in.
Okay.
This time we decided to put them on a purse.
Oh,
because it's very hard to find a great clutch.
Okay, wonderful. And I see that we have you brought someone else with you.
Yes, Kathy Wall.
Kathy,
Special occasion.
Beautiful.
Isn't that gorgeous? Oh. This is from Marissa Baratelli. We're doing a trunk show with her on August 12th through the 14th.
Okay.
Normally we're able to stock for special occasion about 25 pieces. We'll have 150 pieces. So Kathy's wearing a two-piece. It's got wire in the collar, beautifully stand out. It's all hand loomed Thai silk.
Okay.
And Kathy's wearing it in a real golden black brown color, which really lights up her face.
Yes.
It comes one piece, two piece. She does an amazing job. This designer does an amazing job with ruching. So it frames your face. It hugs your body in the right ways.
Right.
We're dressing women.
Well, I really like the fact that she doesn't have to wear much jewelry.
Nothing.
And it's still very nice. You don't have to wear a necklace or anything because it has some things going on.
We did add the earrings, the Art Deco earrings, because Art Deco is a big thing this year.
Okay, well tell me just a little bit more of where the place and all that about the trunk show.
Well, Berlin's for Women. It's right at the corner of King and Broad.
Okay.
And we have our own parking, which is a big thing in downtown Charleston. So you can park and come right across the street. We are open from 9 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock at night. If you can't make it there, just give us a call. We are a family-owned business. We've been around since 1883.
Okay.
And we're there for you.
Well, thank you so much. Really appreciate you being here today.
Thanks, Laura. Appreciate you having us.
Thank you. And thank you to you ladies for being here. You look great.
Thank you to all my models. They were so terrific to do this.
Yes, well, thank you. Well, we'll be right back with years of experience. We'll tell you how these mouse experts can help out your local schools when you book your next vacation to Disney World.